around in private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now.
All right, so for all of you, we have wick. So this is what I got with wick today. Some cantaloupe. She wanted this, kicks. Some bread, whole wheat bread. Some cotton candy grapes. So they give you $26.
Mommy?
We got bananas.
Mommy?
I'm talking.
Did you talk a tiny day?
Yeah. We got some lemon.
That?
We got some mangoes.
That?
We got some lime.
That, Mommy?
We got some avocado.
Talk
More avocado.
Talk tiny day, Mommy.
Okay, good. Raspberries. Kiwi. Some bell peppers. Some orange and some yellow. Some red. She picked out another red. I let her do it. Some more kiwi. The other lime I was looking for. A snack for me, but I didn't get to do it. These are palm granite fresh. The insides. POM. They already pick it, so you don't gotta pick it. The big pomegranate was really a lot. So, and then I got some mango pineapple salsa. This tastes so good. If y'all go to Safeway, if y'all have that in your state, get it. So that's bag number 1. Then we got milk. You only can get 1% milk. But I told them that she's got lactate tolerance because I want her to have like the less milk possible. And they gave me that. So watermelon, we get the baby one. I like to get this one. This is $5. Another bag. Some radishes. I'm about to make some soup like y'all saw in the previous video. Some mushrooms. Another thing of milk. Some brown eggs. She loves eggs. I get the brown one. Whatever. Some more bread. Some more bananas. So that's 2 bunches so far. She started eating this honey crisp apple. Here, get your apple. And I like Jif peanut butter. So that's the whole haul. And we still have stuff left over, of course. But this is everything. I'm about to show you everything. I put it down here because this is more space. We just came in the door, as you see the door. And I was washing my hair earlier. I'm about to post hear their video, watch their video, because yeah, your girl be tired. But anywho, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me get the camera. It's all over the place, so let me try to get it close to it. I don't know if I'm gonna put this as a thumbnail picture, but y'all already know. Here we are. So this is WIC. This is what WIC will get you with one child. And you get it till the baby is 5. So you get it from when you're pregnant to 5 years old. So it's free food. Go get it. All right, guys. Oh, you're doing a good job. What you making? Some muffins?
Some mutton.
Muffins. Oh, yeah.
We don't want them to be red.
Right.
We want them to be
Put
white.
it right up in here. Right. You're doing a good job. You a lefty? You like using your left hand?
Red.
Oh, you know that means you're really smart. Oh, you're using your right hand too? What? You using 2 hands? Whoa. That's good. All right, let mama finish. I gotta put some cinnamon in it. No, leave it in there. Thank you. All right.
I didn't get my bag. I thought about it. Oh, man.
All right, we're gonna put some cinnamon sugar in it.
Wait. Wait for me, Mommy.
What you need?
I want to see it.
And some vanilla. So this is cornbread muffin. Yeah.
Away.
Go ahead. Mix it.
It'll be yummy.
Yeah, it's gonna be so yummy. So pretty. Yay. Okay, good job. All right. You can taste it? All right.
Yummy.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
It's not that nutty, Mommy. And I'm going to get away.
No, I don't want you to make a mess, Nova. Okay? You gotta just, ooh, it's a little lumpy. Did you mix it up?
Yeah.
They got lumps in here. You sure? You say you mixed it up?
What are you with this?
It's alright. Just leave it how it is. I gotta do it. You're not doing it hard enough. That's what it is. You're gonna feel lumps. You wanna feel lumps?
No.
You wanna taste lumps?
No.
There's some lumps in here. Alright, move your face. No, you're gonna make a mess. No, you will. You will. I don't have food to waste. I know you like to waste food. That's alright. I could clean it up. You don't like cleaning up stuff. Go right in there. Yeah. Just like that. Yes, we're going to. Yep. We're going to. Yep. I did it with my fingers. Yeah, that's not good. No lumps. That's what happened when I let you have no lumpy stuff.
Wait until you. What? You're on my tie.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're gonna finish these up because I can't hold the camera and do it. Okay, here it is. Alright. So we done ate all of these. We only got these 3 left. And they came out really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
My eye right here. Oh, Jim the bar. Peek-a-burr. 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 Peek-a-burr.
Okay, so today's wash day. So this is what I use sometimes because she got a lot of hair, but I mostly use this. Put your legs down. See? Shea Moisture, the conditioner for curly hair, because she got curly hair. Turn your head around. Right?
Yeah.
And then I use this shampoo. It's Common shampoo. Y'all already know. So we just gonna wet it because she does not like to get her hair washed. I don't know whose kid does, but let me move out the way. So we just gonna start it. So we prepping it. I like to prep her hair. It's like a detangling thing. So you see her hairstyle? How cute is this? Cheese. I know. See that? I know.
I like that.
So you like the hairstyle?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna do it again. Don't worry. We're taking it out because you need to wash your hair. We're just showing them how it's done. Okay? I'm gonna put this on her shoulders. And I'm gonna do her hair first. I already basically started on mine. See? I already started. And I did some bleach in my hair. Because you already know. That's what I do. Come on. Why do your legs have to be up in the sky? Anyway, I'm gonna put some music on, obviously, because she's gonna start screaming and I don't really want to hear it. So we're gonna wet it. I gotta get the hair thing that she can lay. She don't like to lay down. See, she don't like to get her hair done. So all that cute stuff I be seeing online that people do with their kids, she don't like that. To put her head back and all of this and all of that. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. But basically, this is how it's gonna look. We're gonna just start, put some shampoo, then put some water, right? We're gonna leave this right here because it's gonna be in her face. So this is what we do. Put some water. Let's get some water.